So here's a little stay along that I use to teach rhythm to my students. A semi-brief has 4 beats, ta. A minim has 2 beats, ta, ta. A crotchet has 1 beat, ta, 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 ta. A quaver has half beat, ta, te, ta, te, ta, te, ta, te. A semi-quaver has quarter beat, tapetifi, 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 tapetifi. Then I'll use my fingers to demonstrate the counts of the notes and their timing. So a semi-brief has 4 beats, ta. A minim has 2 beats, ta, ta. A crotchet has 1 beat, ta, 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 ta. A quaver is half beat, ta, te, ta, te, ta, te, ta, te. A semi-quaver is quarter beat, tafetifi, 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 tafetifi. Right? And then I clap it. A semi-brief has 4 beats, ta. A minim has 2 beats, ta, ta. A crotchet has 1 beat, ta, 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 ta. A quaver is half beat, ta, te, ta, te, ta, te, ta, te. A semi-quaver has quarter beat, tafetifi, 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 tafetifi. So when there is a tempo, like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And if I'm supposed to play a semi-brief, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I'm supposed to be playing a minim, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'm supposed to be playing a crotchet, I'll play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. If I'm supposed to be playing a quaver, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? If I'm supposed to be playing a semi-quaver, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? I hope you understood this demonstration of the musical notes and their length and their counts and how to use them or how to introduce them. So yes, students, there's much more that demonstration that I use, but this is just one typical one that I use. If you like this video and you're interested in some more of my techniques or some more of the things that I show to my students, please subscribe and comment and let me know that hey, you love this video. Okay, see you next time until I make another video. Bye.